MS Dhoni, a cricketing legend, is renowned for his calmness on the field. This same approach guides his wealth management, building a financial empire beyond cricket. Dhoni's financial journey began with cricket, earning through BCCI contracts and IPL deals. Off the field, his wealth grew through selective brand endorsements, aligning with over 30 companies like Reebok and Pepsi. Beyond endorsements, Dhoni invests in startups like Cars24 and Katabook. His strategy focuses on supporting emerging businesses with potential for long-term growth, showcasing his keen business acumen. Dhoni's love for real estate is evident in his lavish Ranchi farmhouse. As co-owner of Chennai Super Kings and Ranchi Rays, he expands his wealth into sports and ventures like his gym chain and clothing brand Seven. Despite immense wealth, Dhoni is known for frugality. Preferring motorcycles over luxury cars, he maintains a simple lifestyle, emphasizing financial discipline to grow wealth without extravagance. Dhoni's strategy secures his future, ensuring wealth growth post-retirement. His smart decisions and long-term thinking make him a master of wealth management, playing the long game in life.